How to contact Beelinguapp customer care. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to figure out how to contact Beelinguapp customer care, then here's how you do it. Start off by launching open the Beelinguapp application on your smartphone or tablets and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the More button at the bottom right corner from the home screen. Inside the More button, click on Contact. Now, click on the Send Mail button in the pop-up and it'll take you to this Mail tab where you'll be able to contact the customer service via email. Go ahead and write down your query in the text box. The subject and the email will be typed in automatically in the respective fields. Go ahead and write down your message in the text box. You can go ahead and write down what problem you are facing. Your account details will also be added at the bottom of the screen. Simply write down your message in the text box and click on the arrow at the top right corner to send in the email. So from there, you will be able to contact the support team for Beelinguapp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.